This is 15-minute wall workout 4. We're going to start by being on our hands, and we're going to be bringing our feet up onto the high wall, as high as you can go. And I'm going to be putting my front foot behind my back foot, and I'm just twisting slowly side to side. That'll get our oblique muscles and our abdominals. And I really felt this today. Now we're going to repeat that on our elbows. So we're going to be on the elbows. We're going to put our feet up on the high wall as high as it can go in this position. And then we're going to put the front foot behind the back foot. And we're going to do the slower twist side to side. This is where I felt it a little bit more when I was on my elbows. So that's why I do the different variations, because it works different muscles and just changes things up. Now we're going to work the lower body. We're going to put the back foot up as far as we can on the rebounder. And then we're going to put our foot on the lower part of the wall. And we're going to do circles. We're going to circle 40 in one direction. And then I'm going to pause and then do that many in the opposite direction. This way, when you do the circles, the purpose of that is you're going to work your whole entire glute area from the outside to the inside. And when you circle the opposite way, what happens is you just work it differently. You start differently and you will feel it. It feels like a whole different exercise. I'm pausing, now going in the other direction, on the other direction. Now we're going to put our feet up as high on the wall as we can, and we're going to put our back foot behind our front foot, and we're going to do the slower twist back and forth. Okay, on our elbows, and the same thing, feet up higher on the wall, and the foot behind the other, the back foot, and then we're going to do the twist again. Now we're going to have the back foot as far forward on the rebounder as we can, and we're going to put our back foot on the wall, lower down, and we're going to circle. We're going to circle all in one direction, just like we did the other side, and then we're going to switch it. Now we're pausing, and then we're going to be circling in the opposite direction. Okay, we're going to be going up on the wall again in the highest position, and we are going to be doing circles. I'm just circling around. It's only for a count of 20, but boy, will you really feel this. You're actually tucking your glutes, your pelvic, and your abdominals. Now we're going to be on our elbows, and we're going to do the same thing by putting our feet up as high on the wall as we can. And we're going to be doing circles again. So I'm going to start circling. Now we're going to put our back foot up as far on the rebounder as we can, and we're going to put our foot up higher on the wall, and then we're going to be doing circles in one direction and then switch it. Now when you have your foot up a little bit higher, that allows you to stretch back further, and you're going to go even deeper in your glute area. This is what I do to strengthen and stretch my hamstrings and my glutes. And that's what's really going to lift that area. Now we're pausing, and we're going to go in the other direction. Now we're going to do the other side. Put our foot on the mid wall, and we're going to circle. Okay, and then we're going to circle in the other direction,